Friends, is it really true that if you mix glue with sand, it turns into something like this? But this guy doesn't believe the video at all, so he brings a lot of glue packets to try it himself. Then he brings the sand and starts pouring the glue packets into it. After adding all the packets, he mixes it well. Before seeing what happens in the end, those who like their moms should like the video and subscribe to the channel. Like, subscribe, and click on remix. Then type D sound, and some magic will happen. And after mixing for a while, it really turns into something like glue. And later, it transforms into something else.